QTF12-15 is a fully automatic brick-making machine. By changing the mold, bricks of different shapes can be produced. The mold can also be designed according to customer needs. This fully automatic brick-making machine is an efficient machine with a molding cycle of 15 seconds. Just press the start button to start and in production. It can produce 110,000 bricks every 8 hours. The machine adopts hydraulic molding technology with a pressure of up to 100 megapascals. So the blocks produced are of good quality, high density and high strength.